inaletwa kwa ajili ya matumizi ya wakulima ni mbolea ambayo iko standard.
Riwruok mochung' ne ohala kod kembe KNCCI dwaro ni mondo mi piny owacho mondo los aguch omenda mopuodhi ne ohala matindo tindo kaka yor jolo johala kendo nyayo thuolo mag tije pacho ka. E kinde limbe kambi moro mar Musmal kod Weyni Masiaya, jalup ker mar KNCCI Dr. Eric Ruto nolero ni puodho agulu makamano biro konyo johala e yore mag budget kendo yuolo nyalo margi mar chulo osuru ne dongruok mar piny. Jotelo mag Kenya National Commerce and Industry osebedo katimo limbe mar ndalo adek e alwora ma Nyanza ka gigeno mar medo huma gi motelo ne yiero margi ma tarik 8 dwe manyien.
We need to have an SME fund that gives businesses like Nambole, that has employed more than 48 people that pay taxes, pay as you earn and all that. This is a perfect example of a business that should be funded by a government bank at single-digit interest rates.
As a Kenya National Chamber of Commerce, at the headquarters, we are going to design programs that you can be able to access the market within Kenya and even outside Kenya. We are also going to talk to the big manufacturers where you're buying material so that we can be able to combine several SME manufacturers so that they can reduce the minimum order quantities.
We want to see a vibrant Kenya Chamber of Commerce, both at the national level and in Siaya. And we are hoping that this time Siaya is going to be heard and our people will benefit from this. We don't want to stand in the back and wait, so we are here. And I'm happy that our people are happy that we will have a different chamber